Hello guys, today we are going to see this cue card which is describe a natural talent you want to improve like sports, music or anything that we have, okay? And the questions are what it is, when you discovered it, how you want to improve it and how you feel about it, okay? So let's see. Here I would like to talk about one natural talent that I have and I want to enhance it. It is none other than cooking. So this is the answer for our first question. What it is? So it is cooking. And here I have described a little bit about this talent. I can cook variety of Indian cuisines in very simple manner and in couple of minutes. Here cuisines means different types of dishes. Okay, I don't remember the exact date when I realized it, but I guess it was a couple of years ago when I was in my matriculation. So this is the answer for our second question. When you discovered it. So I don't remember the exact date, but it was couple of years ago. Okay. Then it was so happened that my family had gone out of town to attend one of my relatives' wedding, and I was alone at home because my exams were approaching. That time I didn't want to eat restaurant food, therefore I decided to cook something by myself. After some thinking, I made my mind to cook kheer. Here, kheer is a Gujarati dish. If you want to change, then you can change according to your preference. Okay. When I was making this dish, I was really nervous because I haven't made anything by myself. Astonishingly, astonishingly means surprisingly. Okay, I made a wonderful dish. It had same taste like restaurants. I stored some kheer for my mother, and when she tasted it on the next day, she was stunned, and then she encouraged me to try my hands in cooking. Here, try my hands in cooking means try. We have. I have to try this thing means practice cooking. Okay. Since then, on every weekend, I am making here every weekends. Okay. I am making one new dish and improving my cooking. And now how you want, third question is how you want to improve it. So for that I want to improve this talent by two methods. First, I am planning to learn all Indian foods from my aunt. Actually, she is a chef and she has her own restaurant. Therefore, I am looking for to learn Indian dishes from her. And second, there is one institute in my city which is offering cooking classes at nominal rate. This institute teaches how to make Western, Mexican, and Chinese food. Currently, this institute is closed owing to COVID-19 lockdown rules. However, as soon as it opens, I will enroll myself in this institute and I will improve my cooking skills. Okay, so this is our answer for third question. How you want to improve it? And last question is how you feel about it. So here we have to speak about our feeling. So for that, as per my feeling, I would say I am glad that I have such talent because it helps me and my mother a lot. Many times I help my mother in kitchen by doing some chopping and preparing rice and dal. This talent also helps me in future as well because I am planning to move abroad for my higher studies. As I already know how to cook food, it will saves my time as well as money, and most importantly I will eat hygienic food and it will maintain my well-being. Well-being means health. Okay. So overall cooking is the natural talent that I want to improve in near future. So this is our answer for this cue card. I hope it helps.